Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Bluetooth connection problems in Windows. First method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Turn off Airplanes mode. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Bluetooth. Third method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Bluetooth support service, change startup type to automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK, click Restart system. Open Device Association Service, change startup type to automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK, click Restart system. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Bluetooth and Devices. Remove existing devices. Click Add Device. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.